Hey, they're developers. We all are aware that using APIs can be challenging. So we made this video to explain how to make an API call to get environmental data using the Postman tool, step by step. For this video, we'll provide you with an example of how to get air quality data from our APIs. So, let's get started. To find the APIs, just head to the API documentation and click Developer Tools in the Quick Links section. From there, you will see a left-hand sidebar with the Air Quality Latest option. Click that and then dive into the geospatial search to get you what you need. It will look something like this. To make an API call for the latest air quality geospatial search, you have to copy the sample URL. And you have to paste it on the Postman URL bar. Then click on the headers section. You will find that you require API key and the value. This is what you can get from Ambee's API dashboard once you sign up or log in. Simply copy it from here. Go back to Postman and type XAPI key under the key section and paste the value that you've copied from the dashboard. Now all you have to do is click the send button at the top right corner and your API request is on its way. And here it is. Your result will look something like this. This is a simple and easy way to extract all the data you need using Ambee's APIs via Postman tool. Hope you found this informative. Try making an API call yourself today.